I'm going to come down to the airbrushes here. I'm going to play Airbrush Skin Glamour. Now this is quite a heavy action. It does what it says, it's a glamorous airbrushed skin appeal, so I'd recommend using this one sparingly, but if you wish to create that magazine style image for your client, then this is for you. This will airbrush away any impurities. It will also add a beautiful glowing skin tone and texture. I'm on a white brush. I'm simply kind of changing the size of my brush as I go. And you can see the softness in the skin beginning to show. Okay, before and after. I'm going to flatten that one down. Let's work on the makeup here. Her makeup is beautiful. This is one of my long-term clients and I absolutely adore her. Okay, but we can see the eyes here need sharpening up a little bit. So let's come down to the eyes and start on her eyelashes. I much prefer to work in separate sections. As you can see here, we're really boosting those lashes now. The brows. So add more natural brow colour and sharpness to the brows. Let's make her lips pop. Beautiful. Let's give her eyes a little bit of a brighten. They're called eye whites for a reason, not eye greys. So we're just going to brighten here, but of course be sensible with your image. Look at the overall effect of your image. Okay, colour-wise, I don't need to reduce anything here. I'm going to add some 3D depth. This will literally make your image pop even more than before. Select a brush, and I'm just going to comb this depth over anywhere I really want those shadows and highlights to be picked out. This will work with the natural shadows and highlights of your image. As you can see here, it's really picking out the depth in this tool, which looks beautiful. Okay. I'm going to warm up red purple skin with this belly here. As I said before, bellies are often slightly darker, a little more underexposed looking, so to say. I'm going to brighten her face a little bit. Coming down here to the shade section and brightening. Using a black brush to take some of that away there. And flatten.